Hello friends, in this video I'm going to be showing you how I like to cover my acne and my acne scars. All you need is your favorite foundation and your favorite concealer, powder, and your beautiful prepped skin. And let's go ahead and get started. First, I like to go in with the concealer and spot conceal any of the more prominent problem areas. I'm going to just blend it out over my scars to reduce any redness, and this will also help the foundation go on more evenly. I would also like to note the concealer is free of pore clogging ingredients, so there's nothing in there that will sit in your pores and clog them, so I love that. After applying the layer of concealer, you're going to let it sit and dry for about 3 minutes. Next, I'm going in with foundation. This is the NYX Drop Foundation, which is also free of pore clogging ingredients. Because this foundation is so liquidy, the coverage is buildable, so you can adjust it to your liking. But I personally want more coverage, and I'm going to do this in 2 layers. Like I said, I'm just going to repeat the process because I do want a little bit more coverage, especially on my cheek areas. I'm going back in with the concealer to make sure everything is covered up to my liking and to make sure everything's evenly blended out. To seal everything in, I'm using my Maybelline loose powder, and I'm just taking the tiniest bit because you don't want it to look cakey, but I'm just going over the areas with more texture to kind of smooth it out. Applying powder is the final step, so I'm going to go ahead and show you the completed look. And here we have the finished look. It's not cakey at all and actually super natural. So if you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to comment, like, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one.